So another tools to use to source for journal is consensus. This consensus. Consensus is a research search engine. AI research search engine like Google. So um, So I'm just going to type my topic here, the impact on work. Okay, so it's loading. So we have 2 point something million PDF, which is awesome for what we need. Okay. So this is how consensus work. Consensus is also very good. You can see it's bringing to me related research that has been done, which is awesome, awesome and good for our study. I mean, for what I need it for. So if I want to download, these are the stuff you need to take note of. PDF, you will see PDF right here, and it's on lock. This tells you that it is downloadable. But if you scroll, I think I saw one that okay, yeah, this one now it appear that it might not be downloadable, but I think it should be. So let me check. Check here. So basically, these ones that are in PDF, that is indicating PDF right here, they are downloadable. So if I want to download, I just click, and it's loading to take me to the next page, where I will then download the folder or the article. So that is that on how to download journal on CSpace. I mean, sorry, on Consensus. So if you have the money anyway, if you subscribe, you're going to get much more feature with this particular tools. It's also very useful for chapter 2 projects. So we are waiting for it to load. So it appears that this is not available. Okay, let me go for another one since that one is not responding. Okay, it's still the same one. Let's go for this. So another thing you also need to take note of when you are downloading journal, to know that the journal is of good quality. You will see, look at here, we already have 36 citation right here. So we already have 36 citation. So this shows that it's a very good journal, right? Okay, so now another platform that I also like so much that I use basically to download journal is now. So this is one of the problems you tend to face, because this one has been loading for ages and it's refusing to come up. Okay, so I don't know why this is taking for ages before it responds. But anyway, this is how to download journal. Processor. So now let's go to So let's go to the last one, which is research. This is it. I think I have an account with this. Okay, it's loading. And it's taking for ages. Ọlá, mo mà ti ṣe tán, mo lè mi gan ló ti ń kún mi, mo ti ń sùn lórí pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ yájà pray. Mo gan ti fẹ́ sùn, ó ti ń kún mi.